kurumjari ISTV ki pau miyeng tabiri bapuna makpu taramna upsari haji phawagi maru oiba pauda Union Minister Ramvilas Paswan na Siengi godown ani sanana ba jatra hunkre FCI Regional Office asi mapung phaba office ko helagani high kre pau sandona pijari Seng metric ton listing traga manga thamba yaba Food Corporation of India FCI gi godown ani Manipur sanana ba ngasi Consumer Affairs Food and Public Distribution gi Union Minister Ramvilas Paswan na jatra hunkre Manipur Ladiba FCI gi Regional Office asi mapung phaba office ama ohelagani su high grade hiram masida akhanaba report ama
Ngasi Imphal da laiba All Assembly Complex ta pangthokpa Imphal East ki Shombung amadi Bishnupur District ki Bishnupur da metric ton lising tara amadi metric ton lising manga chanba godown ani sanana ba jatra hunbagi thoramaduda Chief Minister Okram Ibobi Singh amadi Consumer Affairs Food and Public Distribution Minister Moirangthem Okendro loinana FCI gi Chairman Bishana chu sarugyaki Manipur ki MLA Singh amadi atai official kaya su thoramaduda yauki Chief Minister Okram Ibobi Singh na awang nopok lamdamda lairiba atai yumlo naba state singi real head sing asi laibana zeng puthok pusin tawbada awaba leite Manipur gi di transportation gi achouba awaba lei maruena national highway number 38 da depend tawri hojik Manipur da lairiba regional office asi mamingi oina laibaga chap manai chahi kya gi mamangdagi mapung phaba office ama oina na ba sarkar da hajiduna lakli adubu ngasi phawba tabide Union Minister na ngasi Manipur da haktenana lakinge matamasida FCI gi regional office asi full fledged oinana ba honabiu phungdoki loinana Manipur gi atai resource atopa laitabna food security act asi su mapung fana chananduna praja singda ahomba mamal da cheng fanganbina na ba Union Minister gi pungning singsin ki tamenglong yauna atai mapam singda chengi godown sanana ba lamgi chet na ba leribasi atubu matamda ko anduna FCI da Godown sanana balam kushin nargani haina Chief Minister Okram Ibobi Singh na makatana phongdoki.
If once we can reach there very easily, sometimes in the rainy season when there is food problem, food crisis is there, sometimes it will be quite surprised that sometimes we used to transport rice by helicopter from Imphal to Tamenglong. So we are giving more priority, but due to some land acquisition problem, we could not complete. This is also very costly. This Tamenglong will be around 5,000 metric ton. So we will be extremely happy immediately when we hand over the land. The Government of India immediately sanctioned for construction of this Tamenglong, the storage store also.
Bharat Sarkar ki Consumer Affairs Food and Public Distribution ki Union Minister Oriba Ramvilas Paswan na mak lairiba imungdagi horokpa mioi ama oibana awang nongpok lamdam gi awaba praja sing asi hena nungsi awang nongpok ta cheng mafung fana fanganana ba atai state singi mari leinaba singa wari sanare Manipur da lairiba FCI gi regional office asi athubu matamda full fledged office ohelagni haina lauthoki masida luribadi FCI asi international body ama oibana Maruoiba official sing Manipur da lak matamda safe amadi secure oinanaba Chief Minister Okram Ibobi Singh na honaningi phongdoki makoina lak matamda apanba ayatpa amadi pandaba thogdok tholakpada matungda lakningdaba yaugani masi thoktunanaba honasi broad gauge conversion su lakliba March 38 fawgi manungda loisilagani Truck owner amadi transporter kharadagi tender kaubugi matangda Assam amadi Nagaland chingbada chatnanaba problem kaya leiribasi kohalagani hojik oiriba Bharat ki darkar oiriba chengi capacity gi matangda paladuna food security act asi phajana implement tawnanaba honagani masi tawraba kandadi awaba singasi kokani act asi lakliba me kuntramatoi fawgi manungda phajana implement tawgani hana Suram Bilas Paswan na phongdoki
580 lakh ton and 450 lakh ton is transported through the railway line. We have got already requirement is 580 lakh ton and our godown capacity throughout the country, national level, is 750 lakh ton. In the northeast, the godown capacity is 5 lakh ton, 5.02 lakh ton. And we have already directed that about 3 lakh tons godown should be constructed in near future, and that will cost more than 500 crores. In Manipur, the capacity is 33,423 ton.
ISTV Paugidamak G Gagan Sharma, Ranjan Amadi Honorable Phillips, All Assembly Complex, Imphal.
Makataba Pauda. Ukhulda Session Court Sabada Masajid Son Miganu Haina All Manipur Muslim Maite Pangal Welfare Association Thadoropa Cherol Amana Kangalake. Paliba Sarkar Asina, Manglam Tatusu, Dharma Kudimaki, Laninga Songa Mari, Lenaba, Mafam Sing Ikai Kumnabaga Luina, Sakpa Tarangi Tabak Taram Sing, Laukalapada, Lifam Sing Asibu, Yariba Makai Sohandana, Ngak Senduna, Lakibani Heidi. Paugi Marekana, break Amatang Lominasi. ISTV the culture na Santi ki Pausel Piri, Zati Kanglup Naidana, Nungsi Sanana, Leina Bokona Bada, Lamdamasigi, culture na Su Sauna Mateng, Pang Bokona Si Haina, Hangang Kendrugi MLA, Nong Tongbam Birena High Trade. Ngasi Guru Ango Amadi Ibotombi Memorial Maite Pung Art Center Kurai Sazo Lekagi, Miyoi Tarina Sabati Madu Padmasri, Guru S. Thanil Singna, Lusingdana, Bangalore da Nimitaraga Matuini, Sangna, Mafam Adugi, Mahilo Sankayada, Takpi, Tamiru Naba, Lamtabagi Tarunga Mari Lenana, MLA Birena Wafamasi, Fundo Kivane. Lifam Kuno Maya Lekai the Labor Lupa Sigi, Sangli and the Pangto Kiba Thorum Aduda, Yutki President Dr. N. Ibumsa Yauna Miyokiana Sarupya K. MLA Birena Makata na Hai, Lamdamasigi, Loina Drava Art and Culture na Malian Sinmatuna Sandokuna, P3 with the Sarang Naribama Pumsi, Ing Natamna, Lena Bohona Minasi, Haiba, Wafam Sing Fondoke.
Interaction to understanding the message of people, Madam Sauna, culture, Madu field of it. I guess you see Madam the acquaintance who comes up to the way side tigi, best wishes, usually.
Lapiba February Getang Kungani Toida, BJP Sports Selna, Athletic Association of Manipur, Lamjing Makada, Anti-Corruption Amadi, Good Governance, Healthy Nation and Drug-Free Hybrid Team, the Pangtoko Riba, Ren Marathon Lising Interaga Manga, Nimit Acid Organization Punamakna, Ban Blockade within about Sports Cell, BJP, Manipur Pradeski, Maikadigi, Apil Torakli. Amukana, break Amatang Lominasi. Loishilakpada, Marueva Pau, Amukana. Union Minister Rambilas Paswan na Siengi Godown ani Sananaba Zatra Kun Craig. FCI Regional Office Asi Mapung Pabo Office Wehelagani High Craig. Miyeng Tabiba Punamapo Amukahana Kurumzari.